There you
What
go.
was that? What was that?
Hello, my name is Madison Lake, and today I'm going to be presenting forensic science and solving crimes in DNA and crime scene analysis. So imagine a crime scene with no witnesses, just a few strands of hair, and only one single drop of blood. So I know you might be thinking, that since there are no witnesses, that means there's no idea how or who was there or what had happened in the crime scene. No, not technically, but forensically, you can look at DNA methods of using DNA to see who is there. So just that one single drop of blood is going to be able to tell you who was there and maybe even what had happened. And even like those strands of hairs, that might also tell you. So why this matters is it can help uncover the truth, and it also brings justice to victims. And just small pieces of evidence, like just the strands of hair or just one drop of blood, can help solve major crimes. This is a picture of somebody taking a picture of a blood stain that they ideally used to see whose DNA it was. So while you look at that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about forensic science and how or whenever it was developed. So forensic science is the application of scientific principles, methods, and techniques to analyze evidence in order to answer legal questions and support the administration of justice. It began developing more formally in the 1800s, and it started with just fingerprint analysis, the use of toxicology to detect poisons. And then eventually over time it advanced to DNA analysis with tools. So DNA is unique to every person. So not every single person has the exact same DNA strand unless you are a twin. But other than that, everybody is unique, so it is going to help identify one particular person. Investigators use that to connect evidence to crimes. DNA is collected into small tubes, as you might see here, if you can see that far on the camera, I can't tell. But it's collected in tubes like this and stored carefully in little compartments to avoid contamination, and then eventually sent to labs for testing to see whose DNA that is. Thank you so much. How long is that?